crazy cat, dude. This cat is crazy. He may look cute and innocent. Moses. This look evil. See, he's trying to attack. He just moved my hand around. He be trying to attack me. He trying to escape. Cause he know he been scratching me up. See, look. But see, he's still trying to go out. See, I can't be abusive. She's an abusive cat. You can see all the bruises on this finger. Well, not bruises, but scratches. Scratches on that finger. Scratches all over my hand and right there on my arm. Where you go? Oh, he escaped. Oh no, can't be letting in prison. He escaped. Now pull the pillow back. Put the pillow back. Where you go? You still down there, Moses? I was chopping my hand like this on the bed earlier. He jumped up, started smacking me and stuff, and then caught me in the face. Evil cat, dude. But you need to check out the hand and check out the other little videos I was doing. See, dude just attacked again. The demon cat, you see that? No, you can't. Yeah, you can't. You can barely see him. See? He's sitting down there waiting. Moses.